Hello, welcome back. Let's read some new words. This is a butterfly. In Malay, we say Rama, 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 Rama. When I say Ra, what are the sounds you hear? Can you hear R, A, Ra? Here it's running. In Malay, we say lari, lari, lari. When I say re, what sounds can you hear? Can you hear r, e, re? This is a splash of blue paint. The color blue in Malay is biru, biru, biru. When I say ru, what are the sounds you hear? Ru. Can you hear and oo? Ru. Now let's read the suku kata again. Ra, re, ru, re, ru, ra, ru, ra, re. This is the letter we are learning. Can you say the sound? Your lips come out and you pull your tongue back just a little and you say Notice that your tongue does not touch any part of your mouth. Now this is a small letter. Let's write this together. We start at the middle line. Draw a straight line down. Try to make it straight. Okay, to the bottom line. And then go halfway back up and make a small curve to the right. Okay, keep the curve short. Okay, so this is a small letter. This is the capital letter, or we say the big letter. Let's write this together. We start at the top line. Draw a straight line down to the bottom line. Try to make it straight with a pencil or pen. And then go back to the top and draw a curve to the middle line, making a round belly. From the middle line, draw a slanted line down to the bottom right. This is the slanted line. Okay, making a kicking leg. Okay, so keep practicing until you can get this right. That's all we have for now. The letter sound it's not easy. Keep practicing until you can get it right. Okay, bye-bye. I'll see you again.